Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how value error dictionary update sequence element number 0 has length 1, 2 is required. This error occurs when you try to update a dictionary with an element that is not a valid key-value pair, specifically, the error message. Dictionary update sequence element number 0 has length 1, 2 is required. Means that the first element in the sequence you are trying to use to update the dictionary has length 1, but a valid key-value pair in a dictionary should have a length of 2, 1 key and 1 value. Here's an example that could trigger this error. When you try to run this type of example code, then you will get this kind of error. In this example, my_dict is a dictionary with 2 key-value pairs. The update method is called with a sequence containing a single element, C. Since C is not a valid key-value pair, the update method raises a value error with the message. Dictionary update sequence element number 0 has length 1, 2 is required. To fix this error, make sure that the sequence you are using to update the dictionary contains valid key-value pairs. For example, now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. In this updated example, my_dict is updated with a valid key-value pair in the form of a dictionary containing the single key-value pair C3.
Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos, which can help and assist you further.